Okay, so today we will be teaching you how to make dinosaur puppets. So first, you just gather any materials you have in your house. It could be markers, cardboard, gift bags, tubes, tape, scissors, anything you have on hand that you think would work to make a dinosaur puppet. The second step is going to be drawing your dinosaur's face. So you can choose a real dinosaur that you like or make up your own. So take your markers or crowns or whatever you have and draw the face on a piece of paper, as big or small as you want. You can customize it in all sorts of ways, like putting eyes, putting a mouth, making it as many colors as you want. This is the place to be as creative as possible. And then when you're done drawing your dinosaur, you can cut it out of the paper. Once your dinosaur is cut out, you can take some tape and attach it to the bag or cardboard, whatever you may be using for this. So you'll fold it in on itself or place it down on the bag and tape it to the dinosaur in the bag and put it together. If you're doing this on a bag, you will want to place the dinosaur head around the flap so that you might be able to make it look like it's talking. So just tape the dinosaur head to whatever you're using to help create your puppet. And once you are sure that it's secured, you can put your hand in the puppet and make it talk or dance or whatever you want. So here is our finished dinosaur puppet. Now for another dinosaur trick we have, you can take a piece of cardboard such as a cereal box or something and make the outline of whatever dinosaur you choose in the box along with two rainbow kind of shapes for its legs. So once you're done outlining the shapes that you want to cut out of the cardboard, then you'll decorate it by making a face, making a real or imagined dinosaur, any sort of thing you want. This part is all about using your imagination and creativity. So once that's done, you can show it off. Here's our example that we made. And then you cut the pieces out of the cardboard, and if you cut little strips into your rainbow legs, you can attach them to each other to make the dinosaur stand up. You can also tape them in or anything you like to help it stand up properly. But here's our cute little dinosaur toy that we made. And then there's an example of another one we made using toilet paper tubes. So anything that you have on hand for these DIY projects is great. So here we're putting all of our dinosaur projects together, our crafts, our puppets. Now you can do whatever you want with said dinosaurs, play around with them. Here we are making them have a little dance party, but that's how to make your own dinosaur puppets. I hope this was helpful and that you enjoyed.